Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I hope you have a lot of joy this season. Today, I have a very special present to place under your tree for Christmas morning. It's version 9.5 of ZimmWriter. It's actually an early Christmas gift, but I'm sure some of you might be unwrapping it on Christmas. Version 9.5 of ZimmWriter has been a long time in coming. A lot of amazing features. We have product roundups from Amazon in bulk. All right, before you could do product roundups with the SEO writer, but it was more of a slow and methodical process. Now it is all automated. You can use Amazon URLs, non-Amazon URLs. It's incredible. We now have AI images with DALL-E 3. We also have AI images through Stable Diffusion. And then we have, let's see, WordPress scheduling. You can schedule WordPress posts months or years in advance if you want to. And then finally, we have automatic call to actions inside of the Penny Arcade. Now, there are a lot of other features and bonuses inside of ZimmWriter 9.5, but I'll leave that to you to check out. Right now, I just want to give you a high-level overview on the features so you can get started and enjoy your Christmas holidays. So let's dive in. Now, this is a product roundup, one of the bulk product roundups that ZimmWriter created. I want to show you the end result, this end result first, then I'll walk you through really quickly how we created this. So this is an AI image created by Stable Diffusion through my Stability AI account. You can create one of those if you want to. You have to pay for credits, but the credits for this image cost me a fifth of a penny. Very inexpensive to generate these AI images with Stable Diffusion. So this is the title, 3 Best Blenders for Smoothie Making. Now, all I did was put in blenders for smoothies, all right? And the AI came up with the title and chose 3 products. Now, here's our intro. You'll notice the intros have got a significant boost in quality now. Our table of contents through the WordPress plugin. We have our key takeaways. And here are the products that ZimmWriter found. Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Personal Blender, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action, the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. So all of these would normally, because they're Amazon products and they're using Scraping Surgeon for the profile, they would normally pull the image from Amazon and then upload it here. But we're using a special Amazon override feature that's also in version 9.5 that allows you to use one of your third-party Amazon plugins, such as AAWP or AFFI, to add short codes and create these product boxes automatically. So we just configured it inside of ZimmWriter, and then ZimmWriter will add the ASIN, which is the 10 alphanumeric code for each product on Amazon, and then create this cool product box. So this is pulled via the Amazon API. All this stuff is. Here's our little buy button with our affiliate link. It's all done automatically, and it looks great. So you're not locked into just AAWP. You can use basically any Amazon plugin that offers shortcode functionality. You'll see our product review and then the best 4. Each of these products will have a best 4, and then some pros and some cons. And then we have this optional call to action down here also. So it's a really well-written article. I'm very impressed with the quality that we were able to achieve. And then here's the buying guide at the end, factors to consider when choosing blenders for smoothies. Another AI image, this is a fifth of a penny. And here's some different factors. So power and capacity, blade technology, ease of cleaning, versatility, user-friendly controls. And then we have the FAQ at the bottom. If you want to use Amazon with ZimmWriter, you will need that ScrapeOwl account, $5 a month through ScrapeOwl. You don't need ScrapeOwl though if you're not planning on using Amazon. So you can load up whatever URLs you want as long as your IP can scrape it. And you don't necessarily need Scraping Surgeon, then you don't need ScrapeOwl. If you do want to use Scraping Surgeon or Amazon, you will need that ScrapeOwl account. If all of that is confusing to you, just reach out in the Facebook group or read the exhaustive guide on this. Now, this is the raw text over here that ZimmWriter created for this article before uploading it to WordPress. This article right here cost us 5 pennies. 5 pennies to write this. I'm assuming you can do the math. I don't know what AI writer you're using to write your product roundups, but do the math on your own end and compare how much writing 10 articles or 100 articles or 1,000 articles in your favorite AI writer would cost you. And also what that monthly subscription would be. Are you paying $200 a month? ZimmWriter's not $200 a month. ZimmWriter's like $14.97 right now, and that's very inexpensive to write tons of high quality content. So keep that in mind. Here's another article we wrote. This is 5 best kitchen knives. So another AI image right here. And now some of these AI images can be hit or miss. You will have to play with this a little bit. But this is an AI image, another cool introduction. And then here are the 5 different products. The Wizica Damascus knife set, 3 pieces. the McCook. And I really enjoy this best for. So this is best for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts seeking top quality knives with exceptional edge retention. So for the home chef seeking top quality knives with excellent edge retention, because that's one of the highlights of this particular product. This one has this built-in sharpener. So it's best for home chefs looking for a versatile and convenient knife set that offers premium quality and built-in sharpener for maintaining sharpness. So you'll get that best for, and then also these pros and cons. Pretty cool. Then we'll have this AI image down here, another AI image, and we'll see some different features down here for it. So a couple other product reviews. This is best mountain bikes for thrilling off-road adventures. All of these were just Amazon products I just whipped up in a few minutes. It's all done automatically. 6 best sunscreen lotions. We have one more. This is 6 best fitness trackers. There are different fitness trackers in here. Okay, so how is all this done? Let me demonstrate how all this is done inside of ZimmWriter to show you. It's actually very easy. So AI Vault, all right, that's where this new Activate product roundup feature lives. And it looks like the Penny Arcade a little bit. So in here, you'll put your plural product names. I need to get that straight. Plural product names: cat food, mechanical pencils, gaming laptops, gaming. So it's a little bit different than the other features in ZimmWriter where you put like blog post titles. You won't put the blog post titles because what you're putting in here, the plural product name, is going to be searched on Amazon. And read the exhaustive guide, read this guide up here, because if you go super long tail with this, like cat food for disabled cats that are blind, you're probably not going to get any results. And because this is searching on Amazon, the Amazon search is not that good. It's actually going to Amazon, and Amazon is returning the results for this query. So if you go too long tailed, you're not going to get great results. But whatever you do, whatever you put in here, what's really nice, let's put one in here just so it's quick. We click Start Roundup, and it will say, hey, the following product names are missing product URLs. Do you want ZimmWriter to find some Amazon product URLs for you to review? Yes. All right. So we'll take just a second. And for each product you put in, you can put up to 50. It will go and find up to 15 different product URLs. So it found these URLs for mechanical pencils. Now, what I recommend is you can take this list and paste it into Notepad or something and go through it, because sometimes you'll find Amazon's returning stuff that's not totally relevant. I use the example of gaming keyboards, and you might get keyboards back, but some of the results might be keycaps to go on the keyboard. Some of the results might be decals for your keyboards. Before you just say, hey, this looks great, let's start writing the roundup, actually go through this and make sure that you have what you want in here. Now, you don't have to completely clean this all out. You can leave all these in here and not have it write 15 products, because you have a little product selector down here. You can say, I want you to choose a random amount from this to write about. I want you to choose 5 to write about, or I want you to write the number of the URLs I provide, because you can say mechanical pencils and have another, let's have another one down here, cat beds. All right. And you can have another 10 URLs for that one. Let's just pretend these are cat bed URLs. So we have cat bed URLs and mechanical pencil URLs. So the number of URLs in here, this setting would have you write that many roundup review posts in that roundup article for that keyword, if that makes sense. So you'd get 5 mechanical pencil products, you get like 10 cat bed products. So hope that makes sense. You can also randomize the product order. A lot of this stuff's going to be discussed in the product roundup. You have a different voice for the article, the intro, conclusion, and also the buying guide than for the actual roundup of the products themselves. And you can choose your featured images now. So you can use the stereotypical pixels for the featured image. The quality's hit or miss depending on how niche the result is. You can now choose Dolly. Dolly has a couple different options in here. Dolly is a lot more expensive than Stable Diffusion, though. The standard definition is 8 cents an image, and the high def is 12 cents an image. Although sometimes you can get better quality with Dolly versus Stable Diffusion, so it just depends. Now, Stable Diffusion, there's a lot of different options in here. They're all priced the same. You'll see that these are called styles. So there can be a no style, a 3D model style, analog film style. What you can actually do, you'll make your Stable Diffusion account by going to Stability AI, and you click on API platform, and then you can click, you make an account, and basically you come over here, you get your API key, and you can add money to your account. So I added $10, give me like, no, I think I added $25, give me 2,500 credits, and it's 0.23 credits per image. But what you can do is you can actually open up one of the files generated by ZimmWriter and take the mid-journey prompt and copy it, minus the don't include the imagine or the appendage at the end. Just take the prompt itself. You come over here and you paste it into, so I'm at dreamstudio.ai. This is made by Stability AI, and it will allow you to test out these different styles that ZimmWriter has. Here we go. So here's the different styles inside of ZimmWriter for Stable Diffusion. So you can say, I want to see what like digital art looks like. So we can go over here, we can say digital art for this, and you'll set the image count to 1, and you'll set, this is what ZimmWriter does behind the scenes. You'll set it to 16 by 9, and you'll click Dream. You can actually do an anime one too. Let's do anime. Would do a dream of that. So this is the photorealistic image of a sleek modern kitchen countertop with high-powered blender. This is an anime style. It still looks photorealistic. I guess that's because of the prompt. Create an image. So we can do this again with our dream. So again, I'm in here, I'm previewing the different styles that ZimmWriter offers you. So here's our anime style. So you can find, depending on, I don't know what your site is, I don't know what your niche is, but you'll find a style that works best for your particular site, for your particular niche, and you can select that. You can also select subheading images every H2. This is essentially in the product roundup situation, just gonna apply that additional AI image. This is a featured image right here, featured image. And this setting down here will be for this buying guide image. You can also use AI images basically everywhere else inside of ZimmWriter. And so that subheading stuff will be a lot more applicable, like in the bulk writer, for instance, when you have 10 different H2s or 15 different H2s and whatnot. Let's go back to our product roundup. There's another cool feature, and this is going to take some explaining inside of the exhaustive guide up here, but this is that override Amazon, where you can input your short code to create these really cool product, where'd they go? Product boxes right here instead of using the Amazon image. You can disable the Amazon call to action, and you can also use an alternative tracking ID. Maybe you're an agency, you have 5 different clients, and they all have different tracking IDs. Instead of using the default one that you set inside of the scraping surgeon, you can put a new one inside of here. You can also select your Amazon domain inside of here. So a lot of cool features with that. If you want to set up your AI image account, you'll click on the options inside of ZimmWriter, and you'll click Setup Image API, and you'll see this new Stability API key, and then a negative prompt. So you could put like hands, feet, legs, and stuff like that, because a lot of times the AI messes up on that stuff. So you just put like hands, feet, legs. That's a negative prompt. And you can also play with your negative prompt inside of the Dream Studio if you want to. And you can verify the Stability API key. And then sometimes stability does go down. Sometimes it's just like the OpenAI server, sometimes it does go down. You can test it here. So we can test, oh, I haven't set my API key right here. You can test the status by going inside of here and testing that. What else? I got a little sheet here of all the cool stuff I wanted to talk about. Oh, WordPress scheduling. That's important too. So in all of the different writing tools, you'll have this option now to auto-publish based on a schedule. So you can go over here and say, I want to schedule this stuff. I want to post. And this is all going to depend on your job. So if you put like 999 posts a day starting today, but you only have one article inside of the blog post section, yeah, it's not going to do that. But let's say you load up 500 blog posts, then this scheduling can really come into effect. So 500 blog posts in, or 1,000 blog posts in here. I want to publish 10 posts each day, week, or month. So we'll say each week start, and it will space this stuff out over the span of the week, starting on this particular date. You can go a couple of years in advance if you want to. So you can do one batch now, then you come back like a couple of weeks later and then continue like where the batch left off. So now we're going to go to 2024. We're going to start in June or something on June 1st, for instance. So wow, that's a lot of stuff. I am planning on making more training videos. Now we have AI images. We have 1,000 bulk blog posts at once. We have WordPress uploads. We have WordPress scheduling. We have rewriting of competitor URLs, of YouTube URLs, of YouTube transcripts, inserting of YouTube images. What else do we have? An SEO writer. We have product roundups. We have a local buffet. There's all kind. We have magic commands everywhere. I want to do like a video where we go back in time and look at version 1.0 of ZimmWriter. and show you where we've come because it hasn't even been a year yet. But we have so much stuff inside of ZimmWriter. I really want to slow down for a month, just make some training videos for y'all. This was just high level. I want to get you all excited about 9.5, using 9.5 and enjoying it. If you have any questions, drop them in the Facebook group. If you like this video, drop a comment down below. Please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with, I don't know what niche you're in. I don't know if you're an agency, if you're a solopreneur. Help sharing ZimmWriter with others helps me out and helps ZimmWriter continue to grow. So, yeah, that's it. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I hope this was a present that keeps on giving. Other than that, good luck with your content generation, and I'll talk to you later.